everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, I'm going to be unbagging my March 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag. And I'm a little upset with Ipsy. I got this today. I haven't even gotten my email saying that it was coming, number one, which was kind of weird. But number two, I actually heard on another YouTuber's video where they unbagged their Ipsy Glam Bag Plus that they said the rumor is that if you pay for an annual subscription to Ipsy, you cannot get the Glam Bag Plus, or at least right now you cannot get the Glam Bag Plus. And I do pay for an annual subscription, and the way I look at it is that yes, they're giving me a discount. I think I get 1 month free by paying for an annual subscription, but on the flip side of that, Ipsy is getting 11 months upfront of my money. So I'm basically giving them a loan for future services provided. So if they went bankrupt tomorrow, I'm not going to get my money back, if that makes sense. So I really hope that that's not true, but that is the rumor that I heard. Every time I've tried to contact Ipsy asking about whether or not I can get the Glam Bag Plus, I'm not really getting a straight answer. So I have been told I was going to be put on the waiting list. And so it's March now. I think it was either November or December when I emailed. I think it was November when I emailed them originally, and they told me I was going to get put on the waiting list. And then I emailed again at the end of January, and they said something like, I will refer you to my supervisor or something like that. And I never heard anything else back, which is really weird because Ipsy usually has really good customer service. So I'm not quite sure what's going on. I'm actually considering, because my 1 year just upped in March, I'm actually considering buying a second month-to-month glam bag to do like an Ipsy versus Ipsy and see if they offer me the opportunity to go to get Glam Bag Plus. I'm very curious, and I definitely am considering it. So yeah. Anyway, this is my Ipsy for March 2019. I did already look at the card. Ipsy now comes with a card. Like, what? But I did look at the card to see what all the products were. So I am going to be trying on a few of these things on my face today. It may look like I have a full face of makeup, which I kind of do, but I'm missing 2 products that I'm going to be getting from this bag. So let's go ahead and open the bag. The bag is okay. It says, and off she went to change the world on the front. I'm not sure if the lighting is going to allow that to focus and show you that or not, but it does say that right there on the front. But the material is kind of like a cheap, like pleathery type of material. The blue zipper is pretty. And then inside it has a pink lining, a hot pink lining. So I'm going to put this item out on top, which I really do like getting brushes. So I guess I should actually read you the card, what the card says, right? It says it's National Women's History Month. To celebrate, we loaded up your March glam bag with female-founded brands and girl boss staples. Learn about these trailblazing founders, plus everything you need to know about your 5 Ipsy Shiro, I guess for like Ipsy Hero, Ipsy Shiro products on Ipsy.com or the Ipsy app. This one's for all the women out there running the show, making herstory, and helping us look damn good along the way. That's what it says. And then, wait, there's more. You can buy stuff on Ipsy, and then it has all the products listed inside. It says, here's some quick helpful hints about your 5 March glam bag picks. For step-by-step photos, videos, reviews, and more, head to Ipsy.com or our app. So I got a brush. This is from Royal & Langnickel. It's the Chic Rose Gold Blush Brush. Okay. All right. That is what it looks like. And you're not, it is very shiny, so it is just blinding you with the light, but okay. I can see using this as a blush brush. I'd say it's a good size. I would say since it's pinched, I actually might like it better as like a contour brush, if that makes sense. But a blush brush would work too. All right, so this says it's the Royal & Langnickel Chic or Cheek. It's C-H-I-Q-E. Chic, I don't know. Rose Gold Blush Brush. Known for their Luxe Art brushes, Royal & Langnickel's brush line Chic has ultra soft bristles that pick up just the right amount of pigment and blend color onto your skin so evenly. And the rose gold handle equals so pretty in your brush jar. What about brush table? I love brushes. I love brushes. This is one of my favorite things to get in beauty boxes. Anyway, there is a tip. It says sweep your brush into powder blush and tap off any excess. Swirl the brush onto your cheeks in circular motions and blend. I love brushes. I just do. Anyway, moving on. I'm going to go ahead and let's grab this right here because this is not something that I can even try on if I wanted to. It's the Trisola Hydrate Intense Hydrating Mask. So that is what it looks like. Okay. All right, so the card says the Trisola Intense Hydrating Mask. This brand's all about healthy and hydrating products that will give your hair life. Made with nourishing essential oils, this moisturizing treatment improves texture, elasticity, aka less breakage, and bounce. Plus, it's sulfate, phosphate, and paraben-free. Tip: start with clean towel-dried hair, apply a teaspoon into the palm of your hand, and spread it evenly through hair, from roots to tips. Let it set for 5 to 7 minutes, then rinse it all off. Let's see if it has a safety seal. It does have a safety seal, so I am not going to open it and smell it or anything like that. All right. Next item. Let's go ahead and pull this out because it's the last item that I'm not going to be trying on. This is the Tarte Man-Eater Mascara. It is just a mini, but I'm not going to open it because I have way too many mascaras open right now. So I might open it at the end of the month to do my end of month look or my end of month beauty look. But I'm going to try not to. I'm trying, I really am trying to go through all of my open mascaras, see what's good, see what's not good. I probably should just chuck the whole lot if I'm being honest with myself, but I'm not. So this is what it looks like. Okay. So this is the Tarte Man-Eater Voluptuous Mascara. Tarte's committed to creating products that are cruelty-free and made with good-for-you ingredients. This inky black formula features a flexible brush that coats even your teeniest lashes. Jojoba and carnauba wax strengthen and protect your lashes and help prevent flaking. The tip: coat the brush in mascara and swipe through lashes in a zigzag motion, from roots to tips. Use the bristles at the tip of the brush to coat lashes on the inner and outer corners. There you go. I've never actually tried this. Have any of you guys tried that? I know it's like an OG mascara, but anyway. Okay. I think I'm going to pull this out next. It's from Estate, and it is the Do Me Baked Highlighter Powder, and it is in a very pretty little box. I will pull it out of the box here in just 1 second. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and let's get it out of the box real quick. So it's in a little pink container, and there it is. Okay. But that's pretty. It's almost like duochrome-y. Okay. I am going to put this on my cheeks. I do not have any highlighter on right now, so I'm going to grab a brush, which I just happen to have sitting here on the table, and I'm going to go ahead and put this on my cheeks. Okay. It does not take much product, actually, to show up, that's for sure. And it definitely has like a pinky tone to it. And it's definitely a highlighter that I like. It's not super glittery. It's more of like a shine than a glitter, which is the ones that I like. So I think I'm going to like that. Okay. The card says, the Estate Cosmetics Do Me Baked Highlighter in Pearl. Animal lovers, this one's for you. All of this brand's formulas are completely cruelty-free. This velvety highlighter has a light pink pearly finish that's totally buildable, so you can take your look from a low-key lit from within sheen to a next level glow. Tip: for the ultimate glow up, use a fluffy angled brush to apply to your Cupid's bow, cheekbones, bridge of your nose, forehead, chin, and inner corner of your eyes. Actually, I don't have an inner corner shadow on. I just realized that. Let me do this. And grab a brush and I'll put this on my inner corner. All right, I'm going to use this little bugger. This is actually a Royal 9 nickel brush. It's part of their Moda line. Let's see if I can get this right in the inner corner of my eye. I probably could do this a lot easier with my finger. Can you tell? I can tell. Ooh-wee, I can tell. That's pretty. I think it's pretty at least. All right, and last but not least, I got an eyeshadow. So this is from Space Case Cosmetics. It's an eyeshadow in the shade Alien Love Child. So this is the packaging. It's super cute. All right, and we'll go ahead and open this up. And part of the reason why my eye look is so simple, but then I have like mascara and eyeliner and everything like that on, is the shade of this. This is, like I said, Alien Love Child, and that is the shade. I do actually have a matte lavender shade already on my lids, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch this. All right, honestly, I thought it was going to be a deeper shade than that, but it's still super pretty. Can you guys even see it on my hand there? Okay. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put this all over my lid. That's pretty. I think that's really pretty, actually. I think that's pretty. I like that a lot. My biggest problem is I don't reach for individual shadows very often. I like it a lot, though. It's really pretty. Okay. All right, so the card says, this is the Space Case eyeshadow in Alien Love Child. This lavender shade with violet blue flecks can be applied wet or dry with your finger or brush. It blends smooth like butter and wears for hours without creasing. Plus, like all Space Case eyeshadows, it's cruelty-free. There is a tip: using your finger, swipe it all over your lids and blend. Use a damp angled eyeshadow brush to smudge it along your lower lash line. All right, I already have something along my lower lash line, so I'm not going to do that, but I do think it's pretty. I think it's pretty. Let's see if I can build it up, actually. Let's see. Yeah, I think that builds. If you guys can tell the difference between the two lids. All right, I think that's super pretty. Okay, let's go back over what is in my Ipsy bag this month. I got the Space Case Cosmetics eyeshadow in an absolutely beautiful color, which I'm very happy about. I got the highlighter, again, absolutely beautiful. The Maneater mascara, which I'm happy to have. The Trusola Hydrate Intense Hydrating Mask, which I can always use a hydrating mask for my hair because my hair gets super dry. And the brush, which I love. I love brushes. I just love brushes. I go through little fits where I'm like, I'll use the same like 5 or 6 brushes, but then I'll switch them out for something else. I don't know. I just really like brushes. Anyway, $10. I am very happy with this bag. Very, very happy with this bag. I did already see some Ipsy Glam Bag unboxings, the plus boxes, and I actually like my bag better than those boxes this month. The other boxes have been fantastic. The other months that they've come out with have been fantastic. This month I'm just a little bit let down with it. I think probably because I already have the eyeshadow palette. I have the Marvelous Mauves Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette already. I don't know if people got different shades. I only saw a couple of unboxings and everybody that I saw got the Marvelous Mauves, so I'm not that upset. I actually really like this box, especially for $10. I think it's great. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want to see me start to do Ipsy versus Ipsy. I'm thinking about doing that, like I said, to see if they're going to be willing to upgrade the second subscription. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit the red subscribe button and don't forget the little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. And put any comments down in the comment section down below. I do really, really love hearing from you all and talking back to you in the comment section. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.